Hi Heather, I just want to start off with an apology for it being so dark and the possibility of cars driving by. We just moved recently and we don't have Wi-Fi yet at our new place, so I'm at my neighbor's on their porch using their Wi-Fi. But anyways, I loved your presentation and the fact that you added in the visual aids. I thought that was a great addition. I also feel like I can be misunderstood when I public speak because I have a little bit of a lisp and I stutter when I get anxious, as you just saw a little bit. It's gotten much better with my age, but it's still prevalent in my life. I also agree that it does help some knowing the background in psychology now with my own public speaking, but it doesn't really help with the anxiety of speaking in the moment. It also does help keep the judgment at bay when you're listening to others speak. I think knowing that others have such a hard time with public speaking as well helps with that. And also, like you said, being patient. I never really thought about that, but I definitely agree that it would help with that as well. Anyways, great presentation, and I hope you have a great night.